Hi, this is Jess with Dumb Medical, and today I want to tell you the difference between a Juxtalite HD compression wrap compared to your Readywrap fusion kit. So like I said, the Juxtalite HD will come in this box, and inside that box will come your Juxtalite wrap, a pair of liners that have compression from the toe to the ankle, and your measuring card for your compression. That is what comes in the Juxtalite HD, one leg each box, and then your Readywrap Fusion kit comes one each per order, and it comes in beige and black. It will come with one single fusion liner, which means it has compression from the foot to the ankle, and that is the difference between the two. Please stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for shopping at Dumb Medical.